Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit your Wix website. First, log in to your Wix account and access your site's dashboard. From there, you will find the Edit Site button, which opens the powerful Wix editor. This is your central hub for all modifications. Familiarizing yourself with the editor's layout, including the left-hand menu and top bar, will make your editing process much smoother and more intuitive. It's the first crucial step to bringing your vision to life. Once in the editor, you have complete control over your site's design. You can effortlessly change your site's overall theme, select new color palettes, and choose from hundreds of fonts to match your brand. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to rearrange elements like text boxes, images, and buttons with precision. Explore the design tools on the left panel to ensure your website maintains a consistent and professional look across all pages, creating a cohesive user experience. Adding and managing your content is straightforward. You can easily add new pages to expand your site, introduce fresh sections, or upload various media types such as images and videos. To edit existing text, simply click on the text box and type. For images, you can replace, resize, or apply filters with just a few clicks. Organizing your content logically, perhaps using a clear navigation menu, ensures visitors can find information quickly and enjoy their time on your site. After making all your desired changes, the final step is to publish your website. Before hitting that button, take a moment to thoroughly review every page and element to ensure everything looks perfect and functions as intended. Once you are satisfied, click the Publish button, usually located in the top right corner of the editor. Your updates will then go live for the world to see. Always check your site on different devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to confirm it is fully responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.